Hello everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 and revision is going on of chapter 32. Okay, so we are on exercise 32a, question number 9. So a rectangular field is length is 160 meter and breadth is 120 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. So you know the perimeter of field, since it is length and breadth is given, it's a rectangle. So put the formula of rectangle, 2l plus b. Substitute value of L and B, 160 plus 120. So 280 meters, so 2 multiplied by 280 is 560 meters. Length of the fence. What is length of the fence? Fence means you all know, okay? The wires, the spokey wires which we put around a plot or field, okay? Just for its protection. So length of the fence, you have to, length of the fence means perimeter of that particular field. So length of the fence is equal to perimeter of the field. So this is 560 because we have found it in the first question. So cost of fencing is perimeter multiplied by cost per unit. So 560 meters multiplied by rupees 80. So rupees 44,800. Okay. So remember, cost of fencing, cost of boundary wall or putting around a park, running around a park or garden, walking around a school playground, these all things are related to perimeter. Okay. Next, if you'll see in between, I'll show you. I'm sitting in the same biology lab. So you'll have the same picture. This is just for chain children. Okay. Do you like to see? These are all biology. You can see the frog. They are preserved by using preservatives. Okay. See, scorpion. This is scorpion. Crab. Can you see the crab? Dogfish. This is dogfish. You will say, hey, maths, how come you misses showing biology? But I'm showing. I'll show you octopus also, children. See, this is octopus. This is fish. Okay, for few seconds we are in biology. Okay, now get back to maths once again. Question number 10. Side of a square plot is 55 meters. Cost of fencing is rupees 32 per meter. Okay. So find out cost of fencing. So we have to find cost of fencing when cost of fencing per meter is given. Side of a square is also given. So perimeter of square plot is 4 multiplied by side. So substitute the value of side, that is 55 meter. Multiply it, get 220 meters. Cost of fencing, I have told you, perimeter multiplied by cost per unit. So 220 and cost is 32. Multiply correctly because you will write everything correctly, and when it comes to multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, you all make mistake. So do it. Okay. So hence cost of the fencing, the plot is rupees 7,040. Now we'll deal with area. Okay, so formula is, you know the formula for area. Area of a rectangle is length and breadth. So length into breadth. Units centimeter square, meter square, kilometer squares. Length is area upon breadth. If you have area and if you have breadth, you can find out length with this formula. If you have area and length, you can find out breadth with this formula. So area of square is equal to side square, units centimeter square, meter square and kilometer square. Side is equal to square root of area of the square. Okay. So square roots, you know, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 will be 6. Examples related to tiles. Number of tiles is area to be covered by the tiles upon area of each tile. Examples related to cost and area: cost of leveling, plowing, planting grass, carpeting and flooring. So total cost is area multiplied by rate of plowing, planting grass, flooring and carpeting. So 32b, length, breadth is given. Find out its area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. It is in centimeter. It is in centimeter. No issues. Directly multiply. Put decimal properly and get the answer. Here you can see these two are meters. So no issues. Multiply directly. Don't forget this unit. Okay. Otherwise your half mark will be cut, children. So here if you will see meter and here centimeter. So meter 3.6 multiplied by 100 centimeter will give you 360 meters. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, 360 centimeter multiplied by 90 centimeter. So multiply this and write the answer right here. Then length is 24 centimeter, breadth is 180 millimeter, 180 up. Now here you can do one thing, you can convert millimeter into centimeter or centimeter into millimeter. If you want to convert centimeter into millimeter, multiply by 10. Because centimeter to millimeter if you want to convert, multiplied by 10. Because 1 centimeter is 10 mm. But here in this case what I have done is I have converted mm to cm. So divided by 10. So 180 upon 10, 0 gets cancelled, 18 centimeter. So now both are in centimeter. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 24 centimeter into 18 centimeter. Just multiply and get the answer. Now area of square. Area of square is side square is equal to 7.2 centimeter whole square. 7.2 into 7.2. Answer is 51.84 centimeter square. Just multiply this properly. Okay. So for today's video, I think this is enough. And just if you have any doubts, please keep on sending. Thank you so much.